Hey, how you doing everyone? Force Raider here, and yesterday I made a little YouTube short showing some issues with my vehicle. How do you keep life interesting? Drive a half hour to and from work on the interstate with a wheel that does this. Yeah, that short got a little bit, just a smidge more attention than what I'm used to. Oh my God! So to prove that I'm only partially insane, we're gonna actually go ahead and fix the issue. Oh, and even though the new part doesn't actually like rotate on this surface or anything like that, I'm putting a little bit of grease just to keep moisture out so it doesn't rust into one solid hunk of, oh wait, I can't say that on YouTube. A pile of garbage. I mean, some would say that my Durango is already a pile of garbage. Yes, I know this is going to get extremely dirty from all of the brake dust, but I just want some kind of sacrificial layer to keep crap from getting in the threads, even though it's a nylon locking nut. See, look. My Durango is perfectly fine and no terrible noises coming out from the wheel well. And for anyone who was panicking before, I was only joking. The bearing had only just started to go out. Just when they start to go quick, and you really better get on it. But anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, or if you just have any opinions on this one, go ahead, leave comments down below, and I'll get back to making more videos for you guys. I would do a burnout, but it's a 2000 Dodge Durango. It doesn't do that. You know, it's not like an old Pontiac GTO riddled with bullet holes. Anyway, later.